morning everyone. Early start today, no breakfast, I'm ready to go. I looked at the map and I need to go to Cromer Junction. This is where I want to go back on the Trans-America Trail. It's roughly 5 hours from here, so I should be back on the trail today, which is great. So I'm gonna get going and I will talk to you later. Bye. Hi everyone, it is 3 p.m. and I am back on the Trans-America Trail. I just pulled on it, so now I'm going to go east and I'm going to do 7 sections, but numbers are going to go down because I'm going east. So it's really hot here. I found one tree here, get some shade to make this video. So this is it, and this is where I'm going, somewhere there in a desert. I'm good, I have water and just got some gas, so I should be good to go. I will talk to you tonight probably. Bye. I am done for today. I made it to a campground, still in California. I finished section 13. I'm going east, so the section are gonna go down, the numbers that is. Campground is okay, it's by a highway, but it was kind of late, so that is okay. So tomorrow I'm gonna start section 12, and today was nice, back on the trail, dusty, rocky, sandy, you name it, he was there. But this is fine. So for now, I'm gonna have a little beer. Yeah, it just appears like it's a big one. I think it's like a video effect. And I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye and good night.